Intermolecular forces, the forces of attraction present between the present between the molecules, irrespective of the nature of molecules. When I use the word irrespective of nature of the molecules, the nature of molecules can be of two types: polar or non-polar. Irrespective of nature of their molecules, the force of attraction that can exist between the molecules is named as intermolecular forces. To understand this, let me take you three physical states of water. If I take in water, there will be two bonds present between oxygen and two hydrogens. The bonds which are present between oxygen and hydrogen, if I say this, they are given with a negative charge and positive charge due to the difference in the polarity, partial positive and negative charges. If you assume there is another water molecule which is being present in this way with a negative charge on the oxygen and positive charge on the hydrogen with partial charges, what can be expected between these two molecules is expected a force of attraction between the two water molecules, where now the bond, if you observe, the bond which is present between this oxygen and hydrogen, this is called as intra bond, which is the bond which is a covalent bond present between oxygen and hydrogen. But the bond which is present here is taken as intermolecular bond between the two molecules. This is one molecule and this is another molecule. Between the two molecules, the bond, the force of attraction is existing. This force of attraction is called as intermolecular forces. Intermolecular forces. So what will happen due to these intermolecular forces? Let us imagine if the molecules are far away from each other, they are far away from each other, are moving closer to closer. Now this physical state is existing like a gas. Now followed by what will happen from this particular physical state, these molecules start to move slightly closer to each other. Still they are moving closer. Now the physical state appears in this case is like a liquid. Now further, if you see, they move closer and closer and come packing to each other in such a way, we say this physical state is solid. For any change that happens in this, you can see the molecules move closer and closer due to some force of attraction operated between the molecules, which is expected to be the attractive forces, and those attractive forces are called as van der Waals forces. Now what are intermolecular forces? They are the forces of attraction or repulsion between the molecules which do not include any type of bonds. Means to say, either electrostatic force of attraction between the ions, which are called ionic bonds, or between the atoms, leading to a covalent bond. Attractive intermolecular forces are known as van der Waals forces, and the van der Waals forces are further classified into three types: the van der Waals attractive forces, depending on the nature of molecules.